All about cells. Cells are a very small unit of life, and are very vital to it too. Cells come in different parts. Right? Yeah, I'm right. Wait. John, am I right?
But wait! There's more!
Animal cells is the topic for today.
Yeah, I told you.
Oh, quiet. You are just my assistant, nothing more. Now get back to work.
Darn you, savage.
This is a more specific version of an animal cell.
Noise.
Oh, if you don't get back to work, you will pay for it.
Oh my goodness, GTG, got to go.
Oh, you better. I know about those taxes of yours, real iffy. Okay, now where were we? Oh right, we were going to explain parts of a cell. First part is the nucleus. The nucleus is a dense organelle present in most eukaryotic cells, typically a single rounded structure bounded by a double membrane, containing the genetic material and DNA. Next is the endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum is a network of membranous tubules within the cytoplasm of a eukaryotic cell, continuous with the nuclear membrane. It usually has ribosomes attached and is involved in protein and lipid synthesis. It is the main hallways for a cell. Next we have the animal cell's guardian angel, cell membrane. Just as John would say, it is clearly the doorman of the cell, letting good nutrients in and bad stuff out. It is like a jello, a really hard jello. Next is the vacuole, the main storage area of a cell. And no, it's not a refrigerator. The vacuole is a space or vesicle within the cytoplasm of a cell, enclosed by a membrane and typically containing fluid. See, I told you it wasn't a refrigerator.
Alice, since I am done with my work, can I do the rest of the cell parts?
Sure, John. I guess you deserve it.
Since I am teaching you now, I will teach about my personal favorite cell part, the Golgi complex. The Golgi complex, or Golgi bodies, are the packaging unit of a cell. In a more complex way, the Golgi complex is a complex of vesicles and folded membranes within the cytoplasm of most eukaryotic cells, involved in secretion and intracellular transport. See what I did there, don't you even? Next we have the dots that look like chicken pox, the lysosomes. The lysosomes are tiny little workers overall. A lysosome is basically a specialized vesicle that holds a variety of enzymes. The enzyme proteins are first created in the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Those proteins are packaged in a vesicle and sent to the Golgi apparatus. The Golgi then does its final work to create the digestive enzymes and pinches off a small, very specific vesicle. That vesicle is a lysosome. From there the lysosomes float in the cytoplasm until they are needed. Lysosomes are single membrane organelles. This is a mitochondrion. His name is Mito. Mito is an organelle found in large numbers in most cells, in which the biochemical processes of respiration and energy production occur. He has a double membrane, the inner layer being folded inward to form layers. Christie. Mito is not rich, but he owns his two air horns, bam and boom. Last but not least, we have the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is the material or protoplasm within a living cell, excluding the nucleus. It is basically, if were to take a balloon, call it a cell, then feel the air inside though the outside, the air inside would be cytoplasm. Also to top that idea off, cytoplasm is liquid. And my name's John.
I'm Alice ... and good night everyone, and have a cellular day.
Created by Nitro Block 78.